Welcome back, my friends. Today we're drawing a simple and fun Christmas illustration, a quick Santa sketch. I start by adding a light texture on my top layer to give the drawing a canvas-like feel. I set its blend mode to soft light. This helps the colors look richer. To make drawing easier, I'll use the Symmetry Tool. Turn it on in the Action menu, then enable Drawing Assist on each layer you want to use it on. Let's start with a quick, simple sketch. Use basic lines and shapes to block out Santa. Keep it loose with just mapping out the forms. On a new layer, trace over the sketch with a thin, light pencil style brush. You can use my brush from the set link in the description or any other pencil style brush in Procreate. Set the layer blend mode to overlay and adjust the line brightness by changing the layer opacity. Now we add color. I paint manually stroke by stroke instead of using color drop. This gives a lively hand-drawn feel. Don't worry about small gaps, that's part of the sketch's style. Use separate layers for each part. If a section looks too light or unfinished, go back and add more strokes. For Santa's blush and rosy nose, I used 2 layers in different opacity, an easy way to add depth. You can also duplicate the outline layer and set one copy to normal. This is optional. Let's add a few small stars on the new layer, placing them randomly to make the background lively. And that's it, a quick, simple Christmas sketch. Don't forget to share your result, I'd love to see them. And see you in next video. Bye!